Over to the girls' side of things, the Lady Cats trying to bounce back after a loss to Levelland yesterday, taking on Big Spring this morning. Pick it up in the third quarter. Central out to a 28-12 lead. Jules Perez was trapped. Gives it to Maddie Foley, who made a great pass there to Peyton Marbury for the basket. Then Perez is going to drive and dish it out to Angelina Humphreys. She hits the mid-range jumper. And then a few plays later, the Lady Cats out on the fast break. Perez misses an open layup attempt, but Arden Neff is there for the board and the putback. This one was all Lady Cats. They go on to win 53-23.